Hey everybody, this is Mike from Trooperbay.com with a really quick instructional video on how to use this new press and snap tool that we just started carrying here at Trooperbay. What you're seeing here in front of you is a press and snap tool. It's adjustable for tension so that you can use a variety of materials, different thicknesses, and it'll adjust the plunger tension. This one comes with 4 dies used with the line 24 snaps, which are common for costumers. Also, optionally, you can buy the bench mount, so you can use just the tool by itself, or you can get the bench mount. It's really handy for building like the snap brackets that people are putting inside their costume. And just to show you how easy it is to use, these are the line 24 snaps. They just fit into the die like so. And you hook it into your bracket like this. And then just clamp it down. And there you go. No hassle, no hammers. It's really easy to use. You can also use it on fabrics. So if you have some nylon webbing or some elastic, you can set the snap for that. Comes in very handy. It will punch through most thin fabrics, but if you're using something thick, you'll want to use this hole punch tool, which is also available here on Trooperbay. And you just punch your plastic or your leather, and then you can put the snaps through it. And that's pretty much it. It's a very easy tool to use. It's versatile, and it will make putting snaps for your costume stuff a lot easier than what you're probably using now, which is a hammer and die set, which really sucks. But I highly recommend this tool, and they're in stock now.